Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday. We have seen a good slide here, and now today it started on the day with a little recovery. While oil stayed flat, we have seen it trading around $60 zone, and it is net gas which has yet again delivered a good rise above 4.4. But when you talk about the indices have crashed sharp. We have seen a meltdown in Tech 100 today. Again, it has started off on a hugely strongly bearish note. Likewise with Germany 40, while DJ30 traded with swings but yet bearish, and FTSE 100 also stayed bearish. So what to expect now from these 8 instruments today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, what should be our strategy? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be also there before the US session. Do watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold and silver, followed with oil and gas. Lastly, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany 40 and FTSE 100. Watch till the end. See, on the hourly charts, first of all, now for gold, 4,000 has become a milestone for it to break beyond now 4,000 and 40. These are the two levels which it has to trade above in order to confirm any kind of reversal. What is happening here? See, we have seen a good slide, and now a support is seen coming in at around 39.30 zone. So 39.30 has become one support which it has to trade below in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. Also notice, see, it was trading in this bullish channel. It is coming out of this, and hence it appears till 4,000 is not taken, every rise is a good opportunity for us to take a sell, but we have to trade with caution. Moving averages crossing over here, certainly it's a bearish indication. What we can see here is a possible move towards 20 period, that is 39, 60, 70, 80, and from those levels again prices might reverse. So this is something you should watch out for. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is traded enough bearish. We may see slight retracement, but not yet confirmed, because see, when it has turned bearish, it might show stronger slides. RSI trying to bounce back from the lows here. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similarly, you can see diminishing bearishness. It is reversal sign. It is trading now above 5-period moving average. A move beyond 39.52 should take it towards 39.60, 70, 80. This is the zone which is what you should watch out for, and then ultimately beyond 39.80 till 4,000 we have to remain extra cautious. It's not yet to be confirmed a reversal as long as 4,000 is not taken. I think it is going to get difficult, because see what a strong wall it is created at 4,000. That is going to remain a critical number for gold to break beyond. Stochastic rising, the MACD has traded enough bearish, trying to converge here. Wait for it to confirm with the crossover. Right now it is staying bearish. RSI trying to bounce back. On the 3-hour charts, and you look at, see, similar observation here, diminishing bearishness, flat base, reversal sign. So possibly this might take it higher, but then we have to wait for it to trade beyond the 5-period, and then 39.60, 70, 80, and then 4,000. Beyond 4,000 is where the reversal is there, but it might remain be a difficult hurdle for gold to break beyond the 4,000 levels. Stochastic coming to double bottom, a possible V-shaped recovery cannot be denied. MACD trading bearish, RSI has seen a good drop here. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation here, diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, support, it is trying to bounce back. 5-period sitting somewhere at around 39.55, 56 zone. So till 39.60 at least we have to remain extra cautious, and then beyond this possibility of 4,000 will increase. Stochastic oversold, the MACD is trading with bearishness here. It is again crossed over for sell. RSI at bottom. On the daily charts, and you look, important to note, see, yesterday we had seen a good slide. Today it has started the day on a bearish note, trying to recover here. Possibility of 39, 70, 80 cannot be. Notice here what a good rise we had seen. It is retraced. Now with the support, it is trying to bounce back. One possibility that it might remain bearish and can confirm the bearishness is it fails to trade beyond the critical resistance zone at 39, 70, 80. And then yes, if gold breaches beyond 39.70, this might confirm a rise towards 4,000, and beyond 4,000 more bullishness should prevail. What will happen? Similar size of candle can be expected, which can in fact take it towards 40, 20, 40, 40 zone. But right now that much strong bullishness is missing, and you have to exercise caution here on the upside. Also remember the support here at 39.30 today is very, very strong. Then these twin bottom levels, you can see this at 39, 18, 20, or and then the 50 period at 39.10. So there are greater supports here till 3900 mark. Below 3900 definitely there should be a good fall, because see, first bearish candle, and today if gold trades below 39.30 and 39.20 levels, we can expect a greater move here. This is something we have to be careful of. Stochastic is bearish, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is taken a good dip here. So looking at this, Let me give you the trading levels. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we capture thousands of pips and points every day. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who are looking for a trusted partner should join the recommended broker. The link is there in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy? I'll recommend you to buy at 39 50 52 low. I'll say 39.52 is a good entry here, but then till 39.60 we have to exercise a bit of caution. Beyond 39.60 expect 39.70 72, and then 39.80 84. If these levels are taken, then 4,000 is a must, and beyond 4,000 possibly 40.20 40.40. But again, these are critical numbers. I do not see gold breaking beyond 40.40. If it does so, stay bullish, just stay bullish. We can expect 4100 as well, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 39. See, ideally we have to wait for 39.30 levels. Only selling entries below 39.30, where you can expect 39.18, 39.10, and then 3900. Now, on the downside, supports are very strong. Once it slides below 38.84 levels, stay short for 38.58 and then 38.40. Below this, we have scope for 3800 as well. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now, let's move to silver. On the hourly charts, you can see it has formed a good base at 47.80 $48 zone, and now trying to 46.80 $47 zone, and now trying to post a recovery. Now remember, previously the 20 and 5 period moving averages were a resistance, and what a good rise we have seen here. So now once it trades beyond 48 48.20, it might post a complete reversal. Only and only if you see silver trading beyond 48 48.20, you should treat this as bullish. Now, interestingly, it is now trading below 5 and 20 period moving average. This is also a good indication that it might scale towards 48. So yes, you can buy at 47.60 levels, expect 48 48.20 as the first target zone. Moving averages crossed over. These are trading bearish here, looking downwards. Stochastic rising here. The MACD, after staying bearish, it is just crossing over here, which is a supportive sign for further rise. RSI is also trading bullish here. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see, it has taken multiple candles for it to drop, and then now single bullish candle has appeared. Possibly we might see second or third bullish candle from here as well, which suggests that possibility of 48 48.20 is high, and then beyond this you can expect more bullishness to prevail from there. Let's see. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 47.60 at least. The lower price has to be above 47.60 and 48 in order to confirm further bullishness. Stochastic rising. The MACD has traded enough bearish, waiting for it to cross over for a buy. RSI trying to rise, trying to suggest slight bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, when you see, it's similar as the observation. See, it has taken multiple candles for it to trade bearish and come down to the levels at 46.80. It is showing a reversal, first bullish candle. A possibility of a second bullish candle cannot be denied, which suggests that price can in fact try to move towards 48 48.20. But let's wait for it to break past the hurdles. 47.60, 47.80, 48, 48.20. Greater hurdles these are. Stochastic flat, MACD trading bearish, waiting for it to converge and cross over for a buy, and the RSI is showing a rise. On the 4-hour chart, see similar observation here. Look at the candle sizes here. The red candles are comparatively smaller here. The gradual slide what we had seen here, and now it is trying to show a vertical move here. So it is possible that silver in fact can move towards 48.40. But remember, silver in the near term now till $50 zone, we should not be treating this as bullish for the month, for the week. I am telling, not for the day. But yes, still 50, we should not be treating this as bullish. Now also notice what's happening here, which we had discussed yesterday. Divide this from here, you can see twin top here, and see this is what it is doing. Now definitely this is going to be interesting for us to watch out for how it may behaves, because let's say if it posts a reversal today, and then we have to watch out for 49.30 49.40. If that is taken, it might be a complete reversal as well, because see what it has done, it is a retracement, and now once it breaks out, more rise can be seen. But I think it is not the case here. We have to wait and watch today's move. Any drop below 46.80, you have to just stay short from there. You have to just stay short for 46.40 and $46 zone. Keep these levels here. Stochastic flat, MACD trading bearish here, RSI trying to bounce back. Coming to daily, On the daily charts, 1.50 period, see the 50 period, definitely a good support. Here also the price didn't close below 50 period, and now also it is trying to bounce back from the same zone. So 4680 is the level on the downside. Remember, once it trades below 4680, we are ready for a good slide here. What's happening? Drop, retracement, drop again, trying to retrace. Uh, it is possible that it can move towards 49 before taking a dip here. This is something we have to watch today. On the daily charts also, the 5 period moving average sitting at around 4780, 48 is a good resistance zone. So I will say till 48.50 also we should not be treating silver as bullish for the day. Prices can again take a dip from these levels. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can do first is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy once you see the lower price in silver at 47.60 levels, and then trail it till 48.20. Till 48.20, put 20 cents trailing stop loss. Means you will find a resistance at 80, 40, 47.80, 48 and 48.20 as the three targets here. Beyond 48.20, stay bullish for 48.50 and then 49 and then 49.40. These are markets, anything is possible. I do not expect it to rise till towards these levels, but yes, a little retracement can be there. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 47.20 levels. Once you see silver, that is the higher price, trading below 47.20, stay with the sells from there. Expect 46.80 first target. In fact, 47 is there first target, 20 cents again. 46.80 the next target, again 20 cents. If at all silver slides below 46.80, stay short for 46.40, 46. And then in fact in the near term we are seeing 45 and 44 as well. Let's see, the direction it takes today is going to remain important. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. See, crude oil yesterday, we have seen a range bound movement here. You can see the support coming in on the downside. We have discussed this as well. Till 59.4, we should not be treating oil as bearish. Notice what's happening. See, it has formed a good base around this zone. A rise is seen. Then the retracement, it is again finding the support at around 60. So 60 has become a crucial zone for oil to break. Now, once you see it is staying below 59.7 today, you can take a sell and then wait for 59.4 zone to be taken. Till 59.4, 59.2 is not taken, you should not be treating oil as bearish. Now see what's happening here. After the drop, we have seen a retracement, again a drop. So it is trying to stay range bound. And today the inventory data is the one which might trigger it to show the direction, take the direction. And hence the move today in crude oil is something you should watch out for. Moving averages are trending bearish, but this is just on the hourly charts. You see the 5 period moving average price is now trying to break beyond. You can buy at 60.20 itself, but then 60.40, 60.60 should be a good resistance here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here, trying to cross over for a buy. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, trying to bounce back. And this is the zone which oil has to break beyond. Specifically, a move beyond 61 and 61.40 might confirm a reversal. Remember the drop, and it has stayed sideways for a long time now, and once it gives you a breakout, it might move towards double top or higher. Double top means 62.5, but it is not showing any strength as of now. So today's data is going to be a good trigger for it to take a direction. The crossover here on the moving averages is again on the sell side. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI comparatively staying flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. On the 3-hour charts, another observation is the lower highs here, and yes, diminishing body size. So now once you see oil trading beyond 60, 40, 60, 60, expect it to move towards 60, 80, and if at all it trades beyond 60, 80, we can expect a good rise. Also notice it is forming a good support, very good support at around 60. We have seen the price since long now has been hovering around $60 zone. We have to watch out once it comes out of this zone. Once it trades below 59.7, 59.4, more bearishness to follow from there. The stochastic taking a dip here, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI flat. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation here. You can see the candles are trying to close below 60. This is a supportive sign for the bulls. Also notice one greener candle, 3 retracement candles, and now the price trades beyond 60, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 61. I will say till 61, or in fact till 61.40 we have to trail with just 20 cents. Trailing stop loss cannot do much. There are crucial resistances available, but once it trades beyond 61.40, the possibility of 62 and 62.50 will be very, very high. Stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD is trading bearish here. You can see it is trading with divergence, still staying bearish. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, Now see on the daily charts what has happened yesterday, a good slide is seen here, and yet it is failing to close below 60. This is a crucial sign for bullishness. I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves today, because see if it starts flat and moves upwards, and specifically a move beyond 61.4 should confirm the move upwards towards 62, 62.6. Remember this, that this is the same leg, and once it breaks out beyond 62.6, 64 and 66 are going to be there soon. But right now it is not showing such bullishness. MACD here, it is in green trying to converge a bit. Stochastic is also showing signs of slight bullishness. RSI is still having room for further rise. So let's wait for today's candle. And the inventory data today should be definitely setting the stage on fire. So now what to expect today, where to buy? I will recommend you to buy if you see oil trading beyond 60-40 levels. But then I'll say it 60, 70, 61 and then 61.40. These are the key levels. Beyond this, ideally the targets are going to be towards 62 and 62.50 levels. Beyond 62.50, 64 should be the next targets here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry only at 59.8 levels. Expect 59.6, 59.3. And if this is taken, then 59, 58.6. And now the bearishness will increase. If it trades below 58.6, expect 57.8, 57.2, and then 56, 55 will be there very, very soon. But I'm not in favor of such a drop. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas yesterday scaled towards the new highs at 4.46 levels. Remember, we had been bullish in nat gas, and I had recommended that possibly, in fact, gas prices are heading towards 4.4. Now 4.4 is done. Are we looking forward to 4.6 and $5 zone in the near future? If you watch my weekly and monthly forecast, we had predicted this as well, that in fact gas prices might head towards $5 zone very, very soon. Now see what's happening here. Let's focus on today. After the rise, we have seen a little retracement coming in. It is consolidating here. If you now see gas trading beyond 4.42, you can buy again for 4.46. And now once it trades beyond 4.46, expect 4.5 and 4.6 levels. Remember, it was having a resistance here. It has now breached this and staying bullish here. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD trying to cross over for sell. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. 5 period indeed it is a good support, and yes, beyond 4.4 to at least 4.4546 to be there. Beyond this 4.5, beyond 4.5, more bullishness should prevail. Now 20 period is another support here. It suggests that at least now till towards 4.28 is not taken. We should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Very, very clear here. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD is also suggestive of slight bearishness, while the RSI is comparatively flat here. Look at 3 hour charts. Remember, after every rise it retraces, and after every retracement there is a rise. Now this is how it has been trading. The highs here are now aiming towards 4.5, 4.6 zone. Look at 3 hour charts here, also similar observation. One pullback support here, and I'll wait for the next candle. This might call for a double top. Now see, double top comes with a critical observation here, because see, this might be a possible beginning of a symmetrical formation as well, where the price could again move towards 4.3. So let's wait for today's move. Stochastic trading flat. The MACD crossing over here on the 3 hour charts is a slight bearish indication. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. The price is hovering around 5 period moving average. Very, very crucial for natural gas to trade below 4.28, 4.24, 4.2 zone. And as I have discussed yesterday, till 4.1, at least in the near term, we should not be treating this as bearish. Look at the rise, the retracement. And today again, if you see it is staying beyond 4.42, you can initiate with the buy here. Stochastic flat. The MACD has traded bullish, waiting for it to converge crossover for sell. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, look at the 5 period. Definitely offering it a support today. We had seen a swing here. I'll wait for today's candle. A move beyond 4.4 to 4.46 should take it towards 4.5 and 4.6 levels. Yes, it is still staying bullish, trading in the bullish channel. Remember, the bearishness today, our bearishness in natural gas is only and only if you see it is staying below 4.1 levels, which is a crucial support for now. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish looking upwards, RSI trading slightly overbought. So what you can do today is take a buy at 4.42 levels. Expect it to move towards 4.4546 as the first target zone. If this is taken, 4.5 as the next target. And once 4.5 is taken, we can expect bullishness to prevail here. In fact, 4.6 in the near future cannot be denied. 4.55 is also one of the hurdles here. So I'll largely expect 4.6 very soon. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 4.36 only. Expect it to move towards 4.32, 4.28. Only bearishness is if you see it staying below 4.28, expect 4.24 and then 4.2 levels, below which the crucial support at 4.15 will kick in. If at all it trades below 4.15, stay short for 4.1. What it may do, it may wait till tomorrow with the storage data only. It may take a direction, else it might stay bullish. Any move beyond 4.46, 4.55, just stay bullish. We can expect 4.55, 4.6 as well. Remember, we are still aiming for the next near term targets towards 5. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's look into indices. First we look into Tech 100. Before we proceed to Tech 100, if you have not joined my mentorship batch, if you've not ever been joined my mentorship batch, do join it today. 35th batch is announced. Register yourself now. Do not miss this opportunity and learn all the tools, techniques and strategies on how to trade profitably and increase your winning ratio. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for queries, and those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, reach out to me for any of your queries. Also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a safe-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for Tech 100. Strong bearishness, couple of bounces, couple of retracement. It shows bullishness only today. In Tech 100 is if you see it is staying beyond 25,600, 25,800 zone, appears far above, but if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. I do not see it to recover completely, but look at the hourly charts. Yes, a good support is created, symmetry is seen. Possibly we might see it moving towards 25,400, 450. Now 450 is one zone and then 500. Three key levels here. Till 25,500 it has got very good resistance, and beyond 25,500 is where it might show little bullishness here. Stochastic is trying to rise. The MACD has traded enough bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what's happening? You can see one stronger bearish candle. Now it is with the higher lows, it is trying to show a pullback. 5 period should be a good resistance. Means it is very crucial now for Tech 100 to trade beyond 25,400. 25,400 is indeed 25,380. 400 is going to be a very good resistance, and then 25,440 will come into picture, beyond which you can expect bullishness to prevail. What could happen? Notice the drop, slide bump, then the drop. So it may retrace like this. It might try to fall back within the zone 25,500, 600. Now reversal confirmation in Tech 100 today is only and only if it trades beyond 25,800 zone, else it is not yet a reversal. This is yet a retracement. Moving averages crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish here, RSI oversold. Things are definitely slightly oversold here for Tech 100. Look at 3 hour charts here. Strong bearishness. Preceding candle, notice, comes with a smaller body and a bigger tail, suggests that it might show a pullback. Also, the divergence of the price from the 5 period moving average suggests it might break beyond 25,400 soon, and staying beyond 25,400, slight bullishness might prevail. Remember, this is a retracement, again not a reversal, as long as 25,800 is not taken. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly a bearish indication. Stochastic oversold here, MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI oversold here. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. The 4 hour candle is yet to close in diminishing bearishness here. Any move beyond 25,400, 440 will confirm the move towards 25,500, 600, 700, 800. And I will say till 25,760, 800 is not taken. It's not yet a reversal. It's a retracement. Is it possible for Tech 100 to retrace towards these? See, yes, looking at the swings and the momentum, what we had seen here, it is possible for Tech 100 to show a good swing here. First good hurdle should be around 25,500, 600, and then towards till 25,800 it has definitely got stronger resistances. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, remember where the day started from? The day started with the lows with a sharp drop. It is trying to recover, trying to bounce back. I'll say it can show you swings here. It can possibly move towards 25,600, and from those levels again it can take a dip, because see, preceding candle was a good sharp bearish candle. So today's candle could be a swing one. Already we had seen the lows here. It can move towards the highs and close somewhere here with the doji at 25,400. This is something you should be careful of. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossed over, trading bearish. Now if it closes the day in doji, still it will maintain this bearish stance here. So this is possible. RSI is taking a dip here. So looking at this, what you can do here, I will recommend you to buy 25 360 levels, expected to move, or 340 levels itself, expected to move towards 25 400. And remember, 25 400, 25 450, 25 500. Now till 25 500 it has got crucial resistance, and then you can expect 25 600 as the next target. Remember, as and how it moves upwards, you can see the resistances will get stronger here. 25 700, 760, 800. This is the most crucial zone for any kind of reversal confirmation in Nasdaq 100. On the down, I will recommend a selling entry at 25 240 levels. Expect, see, till 2240, do not initiate a sell. Expect 25 180, 25 100. And then remember, tech 100 is lot much of downside available here. We have discussed this. It has a gap till towards 24,000 levels, which is yet to be filled, and possibly in the month of November it might do so. And hence, if at all it starts to slide today and trade below 25 100, stay short. Possibly we are seeing 24 800 as well. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts, after this good drop, we have seen a retracement. Now it is forming a nice flag. If you see, it is staying beyond 47 200. Remember, it has still got the scope for 47 400. The reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades beyond 47 600 and 800. As long as 47 600 800 is not taken, it's not yet a reversal. Yes, right now I can see it delivering higher lows, higher highs. So once it trades beyond 47 200, certainly more bullish momentum will be seen here. On the hourly chart, see, after forming a good support, it is trading above 5 period, which is also a supportive sign. I can expect it to move towards 100, 150, 200. Bullishness is only if you see it is staying above 47, 200. Stochastic at bottom, MACD rising, RSI rising here. On the 2-hour, similar observation, notice, look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Yes, it has shown a reversal, very, very crucial for US30 to trade beyond 47, 200. And then the possibility of 47 400 will be very, very, very high. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is crossing over for a buy, RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hours, similar observation. Notice, see, one more point here. This was the reversal, and since the reversal sign, prices, though despite we can see it staying sideways, but the resistances are all strong on the upside. The support is also equally strong. So today's move is going to be very, very important. If it trades beyond 47 100, 160, 200 levels, more bullishness might prevail, else it is not yet confirming such a strong bullishness. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly it's a bearish sign, and this suggests that price can in fact move towards 47 300, 400 before taking a dip. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is staying bearish, the RSI is comparatively flat. Look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts also, you can see this. After the reversal sign, prices stayed in a, and yes, look at the move here after the red, green, red, green, red. So I'll wait for the next candle, and with the next candle, if the price trades beyond to 47 150 200 zone, more bullishness should be seen here. If you see the stochastic, this is under retracement, while the MACD is bearish, the RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, see, on the daily charts, what is happening? Price has just kissed the 20 period, seen taking support from it. And look at the diminishing bearishness. The body size is also lesser. If at all it starts to slide, it starts to trade beyond 47 300 levels. Possibly it can in fact post a little recovery from here, which could take it all the way towards 47 600. But I'll say such a strong bullish momentum, I think, might go missing here. See, there is a clear reversal sign, and today a slide below 47,000, 46 800 is what you should watch out for. Remember, a drop below 46 800, we can aim for 46 500 levels as well. There is scope for it. There is scope for it. And that is why I say till 47 400, do not treat US30 as bullish. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD crossing over for sell. The RSI looking downwards. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy at 47,080. Expect 47 140 160 as the first target. See, there are crucial resistances on the upside. There are greater hurdles, 47 200, 250, and then 300 and 400. Till 47 400, I will not treat US30 as bullish. Beyond 47 400, we can expect a move towards 47 600. And till 47 600, chances of a sharp correction will be very, very high. On the downside, I do not expect such, but yes, till 47 300 400, there is scope, and from those levels it can take a dip again. Be watchful. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 46 950 only, expecting it to move towards 46 900 and then 46 800. 46 800 is one crucial milestone which US30 has to trade below. below which you can expect it to move towards 46,660 and 46,500. This is the target which I am looking at very, very soon, if not today. Below 46,500, we can expect a good correction all the way towards 46,000 very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Germany. See DAX on the hourly charts, what it has done. Look at the bigger slide here. Since the slide has stronger recovery than the lower lows and it is trying to recover, what it may try to do, it can in fact move towards 23,900 levels. And yes, the reversal confirmation is only about 24,000. As long as 24,000 is not taken, it is not yet to be treated bullish. Notice what's happening, symmetrical move here, and now once it trades beyond 23 800 levels, expect 23,860, 23,900, and if at all it trades beyond 23,900, this might post a complete reversal. Stochastic is rising, supportive for further bullishness. The MACD is still staying bearish. RSI is also showing a little recovery here. And on the 2-hour chart, see what is happening. Notice the drop, the retrace. When the drop, it could retrace here, and thus it suggests that it might keep moving here and move beyond 23,900 and 24,000. 24,000 is the level which will confirm a reversal, else it is just a retracement. Yes, looking at the formation, it appears double bottom, so this might in fact move higher. This is something we should watch out for today. Stochastic comfortably placed. The MACD is staying bearish here. The RSI trying to bounce back. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. Notice the drop here, the reversal, the retracement, one bullish candle, then a bigger slide. Now it is trying to bounce back. So I'll definitely watch out for. There is a scope for Germany 40 to keep moving towards 23,860, 900 zone, and if that is taken, possibly 23,950 and 24,000. Reversal confirmation in DAX is only and only if it trades beyond 24,000 levels. Till 24,000, do not treat this as bullish here. Stochastic comfortably placed, while the MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. The RSI is also seen taking a dip. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at, see what's happening, reversal sign, one pullback, then a greater slide. Now what will happen if at all it closes somewhere here at 23,800 and then possibly starts the next candle with the bounce back, that might in fact confirm a complete reversal as well. Let's watch out the move today. Bullishness is only about 24,000, that is pretty clear. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. RSI is also trading bearish. Coming to on the daily chart, see the day started on a strong bearish note. Moving averages have started to converge. Yes, the price is outside Bollinger Bands. It can show you swings. What it can do, it can move towards 24,000 and then possibly close somewhere here at again at 23,800, 23,700 zone. So swings cannot be denied. Swings are what you can expect. A complete reversal. Once it trades beyond 24,000 and breaches 24,200, we can say that it's a complete reversal, and then DAX is going to rally strong. Stochastic trying to bounce back here. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI trading bearish here. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy 23,780 levels. 23,780, 800. Very, very good resistance here. Expect it to move towards 23,860. First target 23,910. The next 23,950. Now once it trades beyond 23,950, 24,020 will be there, and then we can expect 24,100, 24,200 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling at 23,700 levels, but then it comes with the rider that there are greater supports till 23,600. So you can sell at 23,700, expect it to move towards 23,600 levels, and once it slides below 23,600, you can expect it to correct sharp, and then below this you can expect 23,518, 23,440, 23,300, and then 23,200 levels as well, very, very soon, possibly not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to FTSE. What's happening with FTSE 100? See, we have seen a slide all the way towards the crucial support at 96.50, 96.40. It is trying to show recovery here. Now this has come towards the resistance. Remember, the supports earlier are going to be the resistances now. And now 96.80, 96.90, 9700, 97.20 till 97.20. FTSE 100 is not yet to be treated bullish here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. And see the moving averages, when you see the MACD, this is just again crossing over for sell. RSI is also trading with slight bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at the slide, it might try to come back towards this. That is, it can move towards 97.10, 97.20 before showing any kind of bearishness here. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing. See, stochastic is showing bearishness, but look at MACD. After a good drop, it is just crossed over and it is staying in green. RSI comfortably placed here. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at it, it's a range bound movement. After a good slide, we are seeing a recovery here. See what we had seen yesterday, a good slide all the way towards 95.80, and now a very strong recovery has also been seen. Let's see, the move today is going to remain very, very crucial. Yes, the MACD is bearish, the stochastic is bearish, the RSI is staying flat. On that 4, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, very, very crucial for FTSE 100 to trade beyond 9700, 9720 mark, which will confirm the move towards 9750 and higher levels. Right now, it is not showing such a strength, and though the stochastic is overbought, the MACD and RSI is still staying bearish. Coming to the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, yesterday's move is a swing candle, and possibly today it might stay range bound. On the downside, the support at 9600, 9580 are now very, very strong. The bearishness might increase today once you see it sliding below 9650, 9640 zone. Once it trades below 9650, 9640, the possibility of 9600, 9580 will be very, very high. Now for the date, at least till 9720, it's not yet a reversal. Stochastic bearish, MACD trying to converge crossover for sell, RSI taking a dip. What you can do now, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 9690 levels. Expect 9700, 9700, 9720. Only bullishness is if you see it is 9710 also you can add as a good resistance. Till 9720 you have to exercise caution. Beyond 9720 we might see 9740, 97.55, and if these are taken, stay bullish, it's a reversal, else price can still drop. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 96.66 levels. Expect 96.50, 96.35. Below this, expect 96.20, 9600, and then 95.80 levels, below which a greater correction to follow. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do what that as well. Thank you.